We'll be burning my Wickery strawberry and champagne candle. This will probably be the last. Okay, so we're back. I have some goodies here to try. Wow, like never looked better. They are all from Essence. So we have 2 mascaras, 1 liquid eyeliner, and then 1 pencil liner, and then a blush. I'm also currently looking for a bronzer. So yeah. Then what else? Okay, so I'm just gonna do like a bit of skincare just to prep a little bit. I still have the same routine. I rarely change them unless, like, you know, I start to have the feeling that it's not working, then I'll change. Oh, Essence. I've been using a new concealer lately, which is the Catrice one. I mean, it's the True Skin one. Their new concealer. I've been using that. I feel like compared to the liquid camouflage, that one sits better on the skin compared to, yeah. But I feel like coverage is actually almost the same. Like, as in how I check for coverage is like my birthmark here. They do cover, but both doesn't, so it's fine. But usually what I look for in concealer, because I only use it mainly for my under eyes, so I look for like able to brighten. I look fresh, and usually pastel. I might be using these falsies today. These are falsies I got from Shopee. I think I'll go back to this. Let me check my messages. I'm back. Okay, so anyways, I guess I should start using like eye primers after I watched Rose and Ben Eyes. She made me want to get it. Currently trying some of her methods to do makeup, but I still can't get used to it. So today will be the day that we make the fool of myself. Honestly, I have no idea what to do. It's like been so long since I did makeup. Never mind, let me draw my brows first. Maybe you can draw inspiration from that. Oh, going well, people. Oh, and also like I bought the pencil liner is because I want to try the reverse cat eye. So maybe we're gonna do something smoky. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I don't know whether I still have like the skills to do it, because it's been like quite some time since I actually, you know, play with makeup. But so I have this vision of like a cat eye, purple, and then smoke out with like some black base. I'm gonna use the pencil. Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna start with the kajal first. Well, this is really very nice. Like, I don't have the best background, but it works now. Like, my old videos are like nice pictures, but then like the video is like shit. Actually, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be talking through the video. Like, will I talk after that? That's another thing. But I'm obviously struggling. Okay, we're gonna start strong. Ooh. Okay, let's watch that. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Actually, what am I doing? Okay, you know what? Okay, first I'm gonna mark out. Oh my god, it's matte. I'm gonna mark out this shade. Okay, from the looks of it, looks like we're going dark. Should I bring it further? Okay, let's just try this first. Let's that brush. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go. Should I go with Turquoise? You know what? I think we should go and drag it further. Oh, it just broke. It's actually very soft. So gotta be careful. We are going with the, I guess, purple. Okay, so rules and bend method. Tap and press. No. Okay, something is not working. Maybe I should have gone with the turquoise. Okay, I'll try the turquoise on the other side. Loki, no mad at it. But I feel like the base could have been better. Like, it's not. I don't know. Okay, my next problem, right? It's what am I gonna put inside? Or maybe I can do like blue. I have the shimmers from here, then like green in the corner, since like both purple and green looks great. Wait. I mean blue looks good. But I think like a black lipstick will look very good, but I do not have black right now. Oh, it looks very blue though. This one. Maybe I should go with the green. Oh, so much better. Okay, I'm gonna use a Q-tip, some masala water. Okay, this is the part where it can go very wrong right now, or like very nice, you know. Okay, I guess we're going for a very smoky look, polished skin. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, so this is the Novina's palette D5, and the one I'm gonna do now is C4. Okay, it's something's going wrong. It's not merging. Okay, wait, let me just try a little bit more. Okay, maybe this one need a bit more work. Okay, like some parts are like blending very nicely, especially this part, but it doesn't look, you know, together. But I mean, from it here, it looks very, like there's a very nice, ooh, maybe I should do something like that, like okay, but anyways, I think later I'm gonna use like a lighter purple to blend here some more to make it look okay. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to make this, you know, more together. Okay, so I'm really thinking what I should put inside, but because of how challenging this is to blend, I'm like low-key dying, you know. Like, do I move on or like do I keep going? Oh, it's coming together actually, but it's very uneven. It's okay. Nothing a micellar water can't fix. Okay, I'm actually, I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm not mad at like this. But I do have a problem now. It's not as sharp. Okay, you know what? I'm destroying it, so more micellar water, please. Okay, let's try and fix this. Right? How's that? Very good. No. Okay, it's a little patchy here, but you can see it's sharp. But like, because of the blend, it's not that nice. So okay, we'll just stick with this first. We're gonna move on because I am in no skill and talent to make it even. Like this part, okay, maybe because of my eyeball. Okay, let's just blame it on the eyeball, alright? Honestly, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Oh my gosh. I think I just fixed it. It's not so obvious now. You know that small brush I showed you just now? Just gonna put a little something. Yeah. Okay, I know it's still like not nice because this has more space to blend and this does not.
Baby shoe. IG. Hey, hello guys. Funny man? Funny
Yeah.
No right?
Yes.
See? This is just not funny.
But it's very funny for me.